Today, I'm in a Kia Sportage. Let me show you around.
The Kia Sportage this week continued its local awards streak and claimed the title of Family Car in the 2024 Cars.co.za Consumer Awards. It also won the coveted 2024 Best Buy Award from Car Magazine in the mid-size SUV category, and in December 2023, Top Gear South Africa presented it with the first ever Family SUV of the Year award. The Family Car title also makes Kia the first Korean product to ever win an award in the Cars.co.za competition. As one of the 39 finalists overall, and the only diesel-powered finalist in this category, the Kia Sportage triumphed over the Chery Tiggo 8 Pro Max and the Haval H6. In September 2022, the fifth-generation Kia Sportage made its debut in the South African market. The range was quickly embraced by both enthusiasts and critics. The Sportage lineup was expanded in May 2024 with the introduction of a 1.6-litre turbo diesel engine that is both incredibly efficient and powerful. The inclusion of a diesel engine strengthened the Sportage's distinct standing within its class. Sportage was further refined in November 2023, most notably through the addition of further advanced driving assistance systems. All models in the Sportage range now feature lane follow assist, lane keep assist, and forward collision avoidance assist, immediately making the Sportage proposition even more compelling. So what makes the Kia Sportage the ultimate urban SUV, and why should you consider it? First up, reliability. Kia has earned a solid reputation for building dependable vehicles, and the Sportage is no exception. It's engineered for longevity and can handle whatever life throws at it. The Sportage offers a spacious interior. Whether you're hauling groceries or road tripping with friends, there's plenty of room for everyone and everything you need to bring along. Let's talk about the value for money. The Kia Sportage offers a fantastic bang for your buck. You get a lot of features and quality craftsmanship for a price that won't break the bank. Safety is paramount, and the Kia Sportage delivers. It's packed with advanced safety features like forward collision warning, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking, giving you peace of mind on the road. But let's look at the design. The Kia Sportage boasts a sleek and modern aesthetic, both inside and out. And if we look at efficiency, the Sportage offers competitive fuel efficiency, helping you save money at the pump without sacrificing performance. It's a win-win for your wallet and the environment. Kia stands behind their vehicles with an excellent warranty package. You can drive with confidence, knowing that you're covered for the long haul. The Kia Sportage boasts an intuitive touchscreen display that puts everything at your fingertips. From navigation to smartphone integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, it keeps you connected and entertained on the road. The Kia Sportage's interior design is both ergonomic and stylish, with premium materials and customizable ambient lighting to create the perfect atmosphere for every journey. The Kia Sportage offers smart storage solutions to keep your gear organized and accessible. From fold-flat rear seats to hidden compartments, there's plenty of room for all your adventure essentials. Stay connected with the Kia Sportage's array of connectivity features. With USB ports, wireless charging pads, and Bluetooth connectivity, you can keep your devices charged and your music streaming no matter where the road takes you. So there you have it, a glimpse into the incredible features that make the Kia Sportage stand out in its class, and why it keeps cleaning up at award ceremonies.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out my box below, and I'll see you next time.